And next to me, a man whose hobbies include bird spotting, writing songs, and his absolute favourite, having extramarital affairs. Little Alex Horne!
Hi, everyone. Well, oh.
Uh-oh.
Yes, I've got hiccups. So I will try to chat, but it might be a bit of a nightmare. Luckily, Greg, I did discover the cure for hiccups recently.
OK.
Yeah, well, it says here that the cure for hiccups is... well, it's a two-person job, actually. It says the person with hiccups has to tilt their head back, so like that, and then the other person has to make gentle circles on their palm with their finger. So, if you wouldn't mind just making gentle... it says really gentle, really... Not yet. And then it says the other person should blow their sweet breath onto the palm.
It's me blowing my sweet breath?
Yes, please. No, still keep going, keep going. And so if it's still going, they should whisper their special secret or dream into the hiccup's ear.
Okay.